They know my story.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy weekend. In this video I'm just gonna be doing like a quick work with me tutorial for the small size mid-back knotless goddess braids. Please, if you're new here, thank you for clicking, and if you've been here, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to continue subscribing to me. So first I'm going to make, as you can see, my client has a very natural hair. So first I'm just going to use my edge control to, after creating my rough draft parts, I'm going to use my edge control to just, put it on the parts. And I'm going to go back and use my comb in order to make the parts like really, really clean and neat, so that in that case my clients can have a very nice, clean and neat knotless braids. As you can see right now, I'm just going back to clean my client to clean the parts, be sure the parts are really, really nice. I do this for all my client parts, so I just try to have them as straight and as neat as possible. And then after I am done, I'm going to apply the edge control on the body of my client's hair. And I'm also going to make, create my boxes and stuff like that, just to make it easier for me to braid. So I used about I want to say 3 packs of the braiding hair. So one pack had about 2 bundles in them, so I used about 6 bundles in total. And for the curly hair, I used the Google curls, so it's GOGO curls, and we all use color 1B for all the colors, both the braiding hair as well as the curls. I didn't really dip this in hot water when I was done. I just didn't see the need to, because it was already like soft and flexible, and it was also late. It was also late. So, but anyways, she liked it. This is her first time getting this hair. She initially was gonna get like the curly ends, but then we changed it to she kind of changed it to having curls everywhere. Curls everywhere are pretty high maintenance, so I always let high maintenance. So I always let my clients know ahead of time, especially if it's their first time getting this type of hair. It's pretty high maintenance for your first time. But she really, really likes it, and I just hope, I just hope everything works out fine. Because when I first got them too, it was very, very high maintenance. So after that, I just like getting them at the ends. But hey, if you know how to take care of your hair, you should be good to go. So now I'm done prepping the hair. I'm going to go ahead and braid. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I insert my curls in these braids. So I'm going to braid twice first. Like 1, 2, sometimes I'll just braid one time really, but I'm braiding twice now because my client hair is very, very thick and natural and strong, so it's easier for me to do it this way, and it just makes everything falls nicely and have like a nice silky roots. So I braided once, and I had to insert 1 strand of the braiding hair, and then I added my curls and just had 1 part of the curls hanging up there. And now I am just going to keep braiding. So something that helps when you're braiding natural hair, especially when you add your curls to it, is that you have to make good use of it. Again, I always say it's your hair jam, your edge control, or like your gel. I mean, of course, if you have gel, it's definitely cheaper, or jam is cheaper. Edge controls are pretty expensive, so that would just be like a whole lot of edge control. But I just love using them because it just gives a nice and a stronger hold, and it just helps me braid faster, nicer, and neater, really. So I'm just going to keep braiding and braiding and braiding. And at some point, I am just going to stick the other piece of the curls, up there. And I'm just going to keep braiding. Usually, I'll braid to the ends. Not usually, sorry. Sometimes, I like braiding to the ends. But my clients wanted the mid-back. So if you braid it to the ends, it's going to make the curls to just keep stretching and stretching and stretching. And it might end up going down to the waist. And some people don't really like, some people want to like stick with your length and stuff. So I can finesse it more if my client wanted waist length, but mid-back kind of have to be mid-back-ish to the waist, but not too long. So yeah, I'm going to braid, and then just hang the rest of the curls in there, and then just keep braiding all the way to the end. And when I was done, of course, I applied hair mousse to my client's hair to make the curls, silkier and just nicer, and just more flexible, and just make the curls come together. That's the whole point of using like hair mousse for your hair. And yeah, that was all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want more detailed videos, be sure to just click on my just watch other videos on my channel. I have a bunch of them. And yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pommy yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them are watching. They are pretty up what them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Come true. Bad man, say she want say she really want it, she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no. She say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man,
turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake kills.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's fake kills.
original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pommy yard, say me pommy yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them and watch it. They are pretty about them too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they